Today we're down here at the Cimarron Valley Research Station in Perkins, Oklahoma, and joining me is Dr. Tyler Mason, who is our new vegetable extension specialist. Dr. Mason, thanks for having us down here.
So good to have you.
Yeah,
Welcome.
I always enjoy coming down here and seeing what research is going on. And I know you've got a lot of different trials, and you actually started some last fall. Let's go ahead and get started with what you've got.
Yeah, in the background you can see some weedy plots. In between the weeds is some garlic growing. We wanted to do a low input study for garlic to see which varieties would be top performers in Oklahoma. So we're doing a variety trial. We're growing 10 different entries, both hardneck and softneck. Okay. And we want to see how they perform. And today my student is with me today, Victor Ware. He's helping us harvest the garlic. And then in the front, I have some other projects that I'm also managing. These first two rows are tomatoes. And we want to evaluate management techniques for nematodes in tomatoes. And then...
which is a big problem, right? I mean, it makes the root not nematode, and once you have it in the soil... You
can't do much for it, except for treat it or grow resistant varieties. Okay. And then I also have a tomato variety trial planted for market growers. We want to find those unique, delicious tasting and high yielding tomato varieties. And then one of my personal passions is the delicata winter squash. Okay. I think it is the most...
Is that what this is?
Yes, it is. Yeah. I have a whole row of delicata winter squash, and we want to know what is a good performing, small, personal sized squash for the Oklahoma garden. Okay. And then I also want to evaluate techniques for integrated pest management for squash bugs. Oh. It's a major problem, as you know. I'm sure you've covered it.
Everybody's looking for the answer on that one still.
So we're trying an integrated pest management approach where we're growing some from seed and some from transplant to see if you have a larger transplant in the season, is it more resistant to squash bugs because there's more biomass to protect them. Gotcha. And then we'll cover some with insect netting, and then we'll spray pyrethroids to manage squash bugs, and then we'll spray and cover as an integrated approach. Okay, and is this a winter squash or a summer squash? It's a winter squash. Okay, yeah. Okay. Delicata is a winter squash. Okay. Kind of the focus of my first year has really been research, so that way I have something to extend going into the season and to help growers. Well, Dr. Mason, we know you've been busy, and we look forward to hearing some of the results that you have for us this season. Thank you. I'm excited to share them with you.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.